Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to customize lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down and press and hold on screen and then click on customize and click on lock screen, and here you can customize your lock screen. Here you can add widgets, battery widgets, time widgets, fitness widgets, and here you can edit time, size, style, and here you can select calendar, and here you can change color, and here you can add another things like dark mode and magnifier, and then click on done. So this is the way to customize lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.